Did you know it's so wavy that the poles here are even wet? It's like sprinkling right now. There's many bubbles. There's no one swimming here, of course, because of the catastrophes here, or of the dangerous waves here, which is ginormous, like the biggest waves I've seen in my life. If you look over there, side to side, it's like almost water, all water. It's like this is a town and it's gonna flood. It is very high tide and I cannot see any seaweed, which is normally many seaweed in here, but now there is like zero. Like and subscribe. Bye. Bye, mate.